HerVest, a fintech company, is on a mission to close the gender gap hindering women in Nigeria's agricultural sector. In an effort to rewrite the narrative, they're empowering smallholder female farmers and traders with access to savings, investments, and credit options, breaking down barriers that have constrained them over time.
So what we do is we have two types of customers. We have the supply side and we have the demand side. So the supply side are users that would use our mobile app to, save, invest, and the investing is more or less impact investment. And this impact investment goes to underserved women in rural areas, which are notably smallholder female farmers, as well as women leading micro enterprises. The women that use our mobile applications actually invest in women in rural areas by putting in their funds. So these women can use this money to farm as well as run their businesses, micro enterprises.
Nigeria envisions becoming Africa's breadbasket, but faces a 20 to 30% gender gap in financial inclusion, especially in agriculture, and that's according to the World Bank Group. Despite their vital contributions, women farmers produce 30% less per hectare than their male counterparts, mainly due to limited access to land, seeds, fertilizers, and mechanization.
And a lot of women feeling like finance is a man thing and they can afford to sit back and not consume it. And so, but when I looked at the challenges, it isn't as if because women were lazy, but they were just not exactly being responsible for their finances. Because when you look at trade, when you look at the market, the farms, women constitute more, they contribute a lot of activities, in making money. But between making money, saving it, and then ultimately investing it, something breaks for women due to financial education, due to lack of access to easier tools that is custom to their daily living. Because a lot of women, if you look at it, are actually time poor. Right, so there are just so many factors, as I've said, that are varied, and we decided to start HerVest that would build the face of financial services that does not leave any woman behind, regardless of their income, economic background, creed, or age.
Through a blended finance model, HerVest is revolutionizing agriculture financing, providing vital resources and training to marginalized smallholder women farmers. By leveraging digital technology and a peer-to-peer model that connects women farmers with the much-needed capital and resources, HerVest is not only closing the gender finance gap, but also leveling the playing field for women in agriculture.